What? What? What's up, Lizzy? What? What? What do you want, Lizzy? Got my attention. That's one thing. You definitely got my attention. What would you like, Lizzy? What would you like? What can I do you for, Lizzy? Hey? What can you human do you for? Ah, and Stavini. Hey, Stavini. You wouldn't want to go outside, would you? It's nice and sunny. And not too hot. All right. What? There we go. Oh, one. Yes, Lulu being silly. Number one. Lizzy, your turn. Want to go outside now, Lizzy? Come on then. You want to go outside? Come on, after all that carry on. Yeah. Come on then, sweetie. Come on. Come, Lizzy. Come on. Don't worry about the dog. I know the dogs are silly. We all know what the dog's like. She's a bit silly. Come on, Lizzy. Good girl. But anyway. There we go, Lizzy. There we go, Lizzy. There we go. Good girl. Good girl, Lizzy. Good girl. Yes, silly dog. Yes. Lizzy. Lizzy. Enjoy, Lizzy. Enjoy. Enjoy the lovely weather. Lizzy.